Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel, everybody, a channel where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time, alright? And in today's video, it's about how you guys can buy Walmart gift card. Now you guys can buy Walmart gift card in any other website, but the most trustable website is of Walmart itself. You can come to walmart.com, which is the official website of Walmart, and buy their gift card over here, alright? So it's legit because it's Walmart gift card and it's safe to say like Walmart itself is selling it, alright? So I would suggest you to use Walmart, but you can use Amazon or any other website which you find easy, alright? But in this video, it's gonna be Walmart website. But before moving forward in this video, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for walmart.com, the official URL of Walmart website. Once over here where it says search, you want to write Walmart gift cards to purchase. Once you search for Walmart gift cards to purchase over here, the first one, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to give you multiple options. You can choose how much you want, or you can even enter the amount over here. It just has to be more than $5 and less than 500, alright? So I'm going to go for $400 and scroll a bit down and click on where it says add over here. Once I click on add, I can choose how much quantity I want. I'm just going to go for one and click on add to cart. Once I click on add to cart, it's going to be added over here. Now I can go on my cart and choose my card over here and click on checkout right below my card. Now it's going to take me to the checkout section where I can enter my shipping address, click on continue, and then pay for the card. And after paying $400 for the $400 gift card, my Walmart gift card will arrive at my required destination, whichever location I type over here. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can order yourself a Walmart gift card. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.